Eager to explore the possibilities of video editing with CapCut and want to download it? Let me guide you. Hi, I am Jessica from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to download and use CapCut. To download and use CapCut, open your App Store on your device. Then search for CapCut application. Now, tap on the CapCut shown in your screen. Then tap Install button. Now your CapCut is downloaded, simply click Open to use CapCut. Tap New Project to start a fresh editing session. Import your media and arrange your clips. Now add effects and transitions. To export your file, click on the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can download and use CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.